Will the IRS seize my car if I owe back taxes? I'm Darren T. They call me the IRS solution attorney. The answer is probably not, honestly. If you think about it, most people's cars are financed. If there's no equity in the car, then there's no reason for the IRS to seize it. They're not really that interested in seizing your car. A punitive levy or a punitive seizure, same thing, is actually against the law. Prior to 1998, the IRS used to seize cars for fun. I've actually talked to former revenue officers and read books about this. They would call a tow truck driver and they would go around and they just seize taxpayers' cars, and they did it because they thought it was fun. I think that's a little bit cruel, a little bit sick and demented, but thankfully after 1998, punitive seizures are no longer necessary or actually legal. So I have had a car threatened to be seized in a couple cases, and I'll give you kind of some idea of what happened. I was representing a corporation, and the corporation was defunct. It owed 6 figures or more in taxes, and there was the only remaining asset of the corporation was like a really high-end, really cool Corvette that was paid in full. It was worth about 25 grand at the time, and the president of the corporation and only shareholder was really my client, and he was really concerned that they were going to seize the Corvette. And so we made a deal with the revenue officer. We paid the revenue officer some money, and we got what's called a certificate of release of federal tax lien from that property, and the Corvette was not ultimately seized. I've had a few other cases, usually in the corporate context, business context, where there's free and clear vehicles, really, sometimes trucks, work trucks, and things like that, where the IRS has threatened to seize the property. I cannot think of an instance where I was representing somebody, and this is after thousands of cases all over the United States, where they actually seized the vehicle. So punitive seizures are illegal. If you don't have much equity in your car, then it's probably not going to happen. And if you think about this too, most people in most parts of the country, they need that vehicle to get to work. It's what's called necessary for the production of income. If you can't get to work, you can't earn any money, and if you're not earning any money, you're not going to be able to pay the IRS back. They're not really that interested in getting your car. They're interested in getting paid, or they're interested in some resolution working out, either an installment agreement, a hardship determination, or an offer in compromise. That's the bottom line. The IRS, at least now, is not that interested in being mean. They're interested in some kind of resolution that works for both parties. So if you have questions about this or really anything else relating to IRS problem resolution, I invite you to visit our website at getirshelp.com or give us a call at 888-438-6474. That's 888-GET-MESH.